How to use Chroma key in Canva videos. So if you want to use Chroma key in Canva videos, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, go with your Canva home screen, go with the video section, and then start editing a video. Now you need to go with the plus button right here and then go with upload and then select a video. Like I'll just simply go and select this one, click on open, wait for a few seconds, and you will have your video right here. Once you've selected the video, you will have this kind of interface. This is the video. Now you just need to simply go with edit option, which will be in the top left. Once you go with the edit, you need to go with Magic Studio right here and then go and select background remover. You can use this background remover if you only have pro version, like pro or business. You need to have premium benefits in order to use your chroma key option. So just simply go with background remover and it will remove all of the background. And this way you'll be able to use a chroma key in your Canva videos. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.